Article writing. An article is a piece of writing which we usually find printed in magazines or newspapers. The language of an article is straightforward, to the point and objective. Now the format. Heading. The heading must be catchy. First letter of every word must be in capital. The heading must be short and precise, encapsulating the central theme. After heading comes the byline, name of the writer. In case of newspaper articles, write date and place. The introductory paragraph or the opening of an article must grab the reader's attention. The language must be clear, precise, relevant to the topic. You may use quotations, slogans. What the article is about must be there in the introduction, and then develop the content suitable to the article in the body. Use facts, examples, logical arguments, compare and contrast techniques, mention cause, effect, impact, statistics in order to substantiate. After that, sum up, a consolidation of your ideas in the conclusion, offering suggestions or solutions. Don't be too descriptive about something that has less importance, and follow the format and the word limit. Write an article in 200 to 250 words highlighting the rise in prices of essential commodities. Analyze the situation and mention steps to curb it. If points are given, elaborate on those points. You may add 1 or 2 points on your own if it is required. First and foremost, write a heading. The headline must be catchy and use capital letter for every letter of each word. Rising prices and alarming situation. Since I will be writing about the rising prices. And then in the next line, write the name of the writer. By XYZ. If your school teacher has advised you not to write your own name, not to divulge your details, do not do it. If a particular name is mentioned in the question, write that. Follow the instruction given at school. Leave one line and start writing the introduction, the opening of the article. Let's see how I have written the introduction. The persistent increase in oil prices is worrying people across the country. A sharp rise in prices of essential commodities over the past few months, coupled with this steep hike in fuel prices, have made life difficult, with people finding it hard to manage household budget. I have established my point of discussion in the first 2 lines, and I have clearly mentioned that the situation is indeed alarming. The post-lockdown scenario is bleak and challenging, and then I have put this problem in a proper social context. I believe that contextualization will enhance the quality of your writing. The post-lockdown scenario. After COVID-19, after the lockdown, things are really difficult. Things are getting tougher and tougher day by day for a lot of people out there. I have mentioned this in the introduction itself, showing that as a citizen of the country, I am well aware of this problem. Trust me, the examiner will be really pleased if you put a particular problem in its proper context. Next, the body now. Change paragraph and start writing the body. An LPG cylinder now costs around rupees 1000, while prices of other commodities including fruits, vegetables and cooking oil have sharply increased. I am using examples in order to substantiate. In the introduction, you may use quotes or slogans depending on the topic given. In this case, I have not made use of any quotation or slogan because I don't think that it is appropriate in this case. Now, coming back to the body once again, I have given examples, and then the rising prices have hit almost everyone, either it be a milkman from Madhya Pradesh or a fish vendor from West Bengal. I have analyzed the impact of rising prices. This rising prices is partly due to varying demand and supply situation, and if there is a problem, there must be causes as well. Discuss the causes. However, the major reason is due to lack of timely effective measures to check malpractices of unscrupulous traders like hoarding and black marketing. Such traders create artificial shortages and charge exorbitant prices. What is the meaning of exorbitant? Very high prices. And as a result of this hoarding and black marketing, stockpiling, the price of essential commodities, the prices of essential commodities are increasing, are rising day by day at such an alarming rate. I have given the examples. I have given a survey that it is affecting everyone, be it a fish vendor, be it a fruit seller, be it a milkman, and then I am now discussing the causes. Transportation cost has gone up, causing a ripple effect on vegetable prices. Inflation has hit small businesses and traders. It is a shame that even life-saving drugs are not spared. This is a real situation, and I have discussed that in the body of the article. The worst affected lot is perhaps the middle class, especially the salaried working class, as they have to maintain a standard of living and at the same time manage to pay more for essential commodities. After this, let us see the conclusion. This problem can be solved by the government implementing an effective system of monitoring and control of prices through suitable measures, solutions and suggestions. In the conclusion, the rich tend to become richer and the poor become poorer. The government must show zero tolerance to corruption. If they do not do so, sudden and acute rise in prices causes an all-round spiral effect on the prices, adding to the woes of the common man. The real welfare of the masses can be ensured by setting up of fair price shops, providing government subsidies. Specific solutions suggested in the conclusion. The common people must also reduce unnecessary expenditure and increase savings. Summing up, this nuisance must be curbed, otherwise we will face sluggish economy and recession. This is the article on rising prices, and this is how you write an article.